What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Quick review. Well, it's an unboxing review, whatever you want to call it. I ordered this. I needed it for a job. It's a door lock installation kit made by Dewalt. All right, let's do a little close up here. All right, repair coming up where the door already has the holes drilled out, but the holes are a little bit smaller. And I needed one of these for up and coming jobs in the future, but for the price, you get a hole saw, you get 2 hole saws and the jig for 30 bucks. So it's worth it. Got it on Amazon. It comes with 2 hole saws, which are nice. All right, we have a 25 millimeter. All right, we have, let's see here. This one here is a 2 1/16 or 54 millimeter. All right. And then you have, let's see, you have the drill guide, all right, which is this guy here. You have the 2 bimetal hole saws, because you could drill through steel, metal, wood. These are pretty good. And then you have the drill bit, which is right here, and this is where you're going to you screw these guys right into it. If you're not familiar with what a hole saw does, you take your drill. It's got the threads on here at the bottom. You're just going to thread this guy in. You're pretty much good to go right there. Put it right in the drill. You start when you have a fresh piece of wood, you start your pilot hole, and then you'll get a nice straight cut. But because my holes were already drilled, I'm going to use this as a template. I'm going to put it right into my door, and then I'm going to be able to use the updated bit to go right through and just make the hole a little bit bigger. All right, look at the side here when you're going to drill out a hole for the door itself. You have a 2 3/8 inch spacer and a 2 3/4 inch, and you can pop this out by pushing it inwards like this. If you look here, it says 2 3/8. If you want to change it, you just push this inwards. You're going to spin this around, and you're going to pop it back into place. And if you look here, you got to get it back into these little holes so it's flush. And when you spin it around, we got a 2 3/4 inch. All right. And what it does is you can see the space here from the edge of the door. It'll give you more of a space this way. And if you needed to shorten it out a little bit, you're just going to push it in again. You're going to turn it. And you're going to reset it back in its little grooves here at the back. Just like this. And you go back to your 2 3/8. Same with this guy here. This is an offset. If your door's a little bit wider and you want to center this thing, you can see you have a little bit more meat here. You would push this in. And then you would just turn this one same way. Just spin it, and again you have grooves in the back. If you look here, you have to just get the grooves, you just have to get the grooves back in and snap it into place. Then you got the 1 3/4 inch. All right, you see how it takes that hole and it adjusts it for the door. All right, that's it. It's the Dewalt gotta clear my throat. Dewalt lock installation kit. So I'm going to give this a shot tomorrow, and I'll let you know how I make out. But for $30, it's well worth it, I believe. Just to get these 2 bits alone, and you can go through metal, wood, all kinds of stuff, and it's got the drill with it. It's not bad. Again, thanks for watching, and I guess we'll catch you on the next one. What do we got to do now? Sonny! Sonny? There he is. There he is. What are you doing, kid? How are you? You getting close up? People are excited because you're actually in it. You're live. And we'll catch you on the next one, all right, bro? What do you say, Sonny? All right, let's shoot over to my boy.
We're over here looking for Sonny. If anyone knows where he is, can you tell me? Sonny? Sonny? You up there?